GitHub website. From there, you will want to click on the Sign Up button on the top right corner. Next, you want to input your desired email, password, and username. You can use either your email or your username to sign in after completing registration. Also, your password and username needs to have a green checkbox on the right side for it to be accepted in GitHub. Select your country's region, and the email preferences checkbox is optional. I will skip this. Then, select Continue. You will have to verify your profile by completing a captcha here. After that, go to your email to get the verification code. Then, you will want to input that in this section. Select Continue, and you will be taken to the login page. Sign in with either your username or email address alongside the password. You are now officially in the GitHub backend. I would recommend going to the profile section by clicking on your profile icon on the top right corner. Choose the Your Profile option. Then select Edit Profile. Here, you can change your name, bio, input your website or social profiles, which are super useful. Once that is completed, you can click on the Save button. Thanks for watching!